This 2025 Aliner LXE is a pop-up RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Aliner is 15 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleeps 3, auxiliary battery, carbon monoxide detector, microwave, refrigerator, water heater, smoke detector, external shower, spare tire kit, LP detector, stovetop burner, and 11 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this pop-up features front bath, front kitchen, rear bedroom, rear dinette, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Aliner LXE is 1,928 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.